Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 280 problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and access a particular app store if in case you're having that problem in your mobile. So search in app Roblox to see whether your app needs an update or not. If it does, tap on the update option and that should help you out. Next thing, why that kind of error notification or gonna appear is because you do not have a good connection and you're trying multiple times. So make sure to check your connection at the both internet and the cellular. If it's not working out, switch to any of them and it should help you out. Next up is if you're trying to access your Roblox, trying to sign in, and if you're adding the wrong information, that could also appear at that time. Make sure to reset your password, add in the correct information, and that should help you out. Now, if you're using Roblox on your browser, simply go ahead and refresh the browser of yours, and then it will simply work out. The page will work again. You can also refresh your app, reinstall the particular browser, or delete cache from it, so it can also help you work it and fix it. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.